lost it.
So did I, just then too, so it must have been mud. Oh, the suspension's getting a good workout. Oh, okay. Must be your turn to go in front.
You were just doing potholes, so I gave it acceleration. You go, there you go. I was just farting around.
Fucking hell, potholes. Tunnel or bridge? Bridge. You must. All right, here we go. Here we go. This is where we're gonna. Now, can we stop anywhere before it, do you think? Should we stop on the right here? Oh, you're coming. Sorry. Jesus! What did you do? You're fucking stuck in the mud! Oh, classic. I was going to just park. Oh, I was just going to park over there. This will do for now, won't it? Somewhere around here.
Hello again. Here we are at the tunnel on the Forgotten Highway. It's just stopped raining a little bit, but it has been raining. We've had some interesting time on the shingle.
Yes.
A few little slips.
A few little slips.
Well, it's been quite fun. Met a little van on the way, which we had to
divert
nearly into the river.
And a single lane. But we've made it. We're over to the tunnel now.
We're nearly at the tunnel, so we'll video that on the way through. It's again fantastic.
Right, just turn around. I've got shitty turning lock. Okay, so here we go. Oh, it's pretty rough and rutty in here. Mud and grit and dirt all over this road. And here we are, Forgotten Highway, just in case you wonder where it was. I did. It's right next door to the post office that started out in 1911. And oh, there's a fellow biker. I'll give him a wave as I go by. Hello, fellow biker. Oh, look! Oh, that clock. Sorry, this reception's not too good. Yeah, look at that. How did we miss that last time we were here? Oh, that's a shame. Jason's just informed me his intercom is going to go flat as we head out of this amazing place called Stratford. So whereabouts are we now, Jason? It's Ethlam. Oh, look at that. That's rare. An RS 2000 in white. Just like Doyle would have had. Normanby. Here we are in Normanby. And it's starting to rain. And now we're at Harwer. It's supposed to be going that way. This thing said go down there. There was a bypass road that this said was quicker.
So we come through the front door and the first thing you see is the laundry. And then you walk in to this room and you've got like a sort of a kitchen bar, and then you've got a big kitchen, and you've got a big cupboard with all the necessities in there that you can see by switching that light on there. Oh, look at that. And then So you've got this main kitchen area here. That's the way we just come in. And then there's strange pictures on the wall of men. Bearded men. And then you walk through here and you've got a sort of a dining area, I guess. You've got the lounge over there we're going to go to in a minute, but you've also got this other little room here. It's like a cloak room or a little cupboard room. And then in here you've got the lounge. That's absolutely huge. Huge lounge with weird art on the wall. You've got the rest of the lounge with books and things. And then so you come into the dining area. You've then got other bits and pieces in here, another bookcase with a whole lot of books in it. Then you've got split rooms here. So this is room 1, this is Jason's room. And Jason's room has its own ensuite and shower, everything in here. Shower and a toilet. And then, so you come out of this room here and go into this other room, and he's got his own toilet and shower and everything in here as well. So it's a pretty big place. We'll have a look what's outside the window, shall we? It's a bit of interest. Oh yeah, just a whole lot of trees. A very dull day here in Wanganui. There's a weird map of New Zealand in a shirt and a frame. You've got other bits of art.